In today's fast-paced world, we all crave efficiency. We are constantly on the lookout for ways to make our lives easier, to save time, and to get more done in less time. Whether it's at work, at home, or on the go, the demand for productivity tools has never been higher. We seek tools to streamline tasks and boost productivity. From managing our schedules to handling complex projects, the right tools can make all the difference. They help us stay organized, focused, and efficient, allowing us to achieve our goals with less stress and more ease. Imagine finding a tool that does just that, at a price that's less than your morning coffee. A tool that not only meets your needs but exceeds your expectations, providing value far beyond its cost. Introducing the revolutionary AI tool that's turning heads for just $5. This tool is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of budget, making cutting-edge technology available to all. This isn't science fiction, it's a reality that's changing how we work, learn, and live. The AI tool integrates seamlessly into your daily routine, enhancing your productivity and efficiency in ways you never thought possible. This isn't just another app, it's a powerful ally. It's designed to understand your needs and adapt to your workflow, providing personalized assistance that helps you stay on top of your tasks and projects. It leverages the latest advancements in AI to simplify your workflow like never before. With features that automate repetitive tasks, provide intelligent insights, and offer real-time assistance, this tool is a game changer. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who wants to make life a little easier, this tool is your gateway to a more productive and organized you. It's time to embrace the future of productivity and see what this $5 game changer can do for you. This AI tool isn't just affordable. It's packed with features that cater to a wide range of needs. Whether you're a professional looking to streamline your workflow or a hobbyist exploring new possibilities, this tool has something for everyone. It boasts an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. The design is clean and straightforward, ensuring that you can find what you need without any hassle. You don't need to be a tech wizard to harness its power. With just a few clicks, you can set up and start using the tool, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background.